welcome to 7 Leaves. It's Christmas time and I'm going to show you how to make a very unique Christmas tree with just a pine cone. This pine cone I bought last year from Kashmir. So let's begin the video. But before that, I want you to pause the video and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Done? So let's begin the video and let's see what the requirements are. So for making this, we need a pine cone, a spray paint of any color. I have golden color. We need newspapers. We need glitters. I have loose glitters. We need acrylic colors and we need brushes. So we need to make a base for this pine cone with plaster of Paris. I have prepared it already. And here it will look like this. It has an impression of the bowl where I have placed the plaster of Paris and then I have placed it on the top. Place the newspaper and then start with the spray paint. Shake it nicely. We're ready to spray it. So be careful so that it doesn't cover this portion. So we have almost covered the whole of pine cone, you can see. Now we just need to keep it aside for drying. Okay, now I have prepared a mixture of glue and water. As you can see, it's very easy to prepare, and I will give it a gentle coat so that it doesn't break and there will no chance that the plaster of Paris to come out. So it is almost dried and you can see the shine that the glue and the mixture of water has given it. It is also dried. So now I'm going to keep it here and I'm going to color it. And for this I have taken the green and the white in the mixture or proportion. You can see I'm going to mix them now. My plate is dirty. Excuse me for this. So this is done and it looks really good. It has a shine all over it because of the green and the silver glitter that I have used. And you don't need to be an painter or artist to do this because it's really simple and it doesn't have to be perfect. While the pine cone dries, I thought of coloring the bottom half with a mixture of brown and yellow or orange. So it has dried. You can see I'm going to coat it with a mixture of glue and water so that the glitters just stay in place. We are ready to sprinkle our glitters, and for this we need a brush. Take it like this and just, it will look really good. So friends, this is done. It is looking great. I have kept the portion little white. It resembles snow and it is looking really unique. And you can decorate it with whatever you want. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video and it wasn't that tough to make a very unique Christmas tree with a pine cone. You can see it. I have decorated it here and it's Christmas time. I wish you lots of happiness and and enjoy your vacation. Merry Christmas everyone, and I'm ending my video. If you like it, give the big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts below, share this with your friends, and please subscribe to 7 Lives for more. So see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, bye, and Merry